Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize your ringtone on your Motorola Razr. For that you want to go to your settings and then go to sound and vibration. And here you have a few settings you can set, so the media volume, call volume, ring volume, notification volume and alarm volume. And you have the phone ringtones here. So SIM slot 1 or SIM slot 2. I've only one SIM card, so I'm gonna go to phone ringtone SIM slot 1. And here you have a few different options of ringtones. We can go through them. And then you can also say to add one, and if you have music on your phone you can then go to add one and just choose a song that you would like to have as your ringtone and then save it as your ringtone. I unfortunately don't have any music on my phone, but you would just need to go to add ringtone and then you come here and then you can just choose a song and this will then be your ringtone. Then you can just click on OK, go back. So that's how you customize your ringtone on your Motorola Razr. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.